Hello everybody, this is my new Tekkit server. I'm just going to show you around. So yeah. Really? Lol, so yeah, this is not Spawn, but it's this guy's house. Spawn just got nuked about yesterday, and we currently build a new one, but yeah. So yeah, this is our Tekkit server. Took us not that long to make. It's like this. So this is the newt. I couldn't even be bothered to do this. And now the server's about to crash, I bet you. So thanks for watching. Bye!